Hi, my name is Poliwashira, Head of Programs at youthplug. Here is an update on what we've been up to in regards to our juabudget program. In case you don't know what juabudget means, it's juabudget. So jua is a Swahili word that means know and budget. So it's basically know the budget, because it is our belief that everything good and bad that we see in our community starts and ends with the budget. Everything that is working, it's working because money was spent the right way, right? And everything that is not working was either not prioritized or money was actually allocated, but it didn't get to do the things it was supposed to do. So how we've been doing it for the past 2 years is on a national level. We have been breaking down the budget making process and the budget itself so that Kenyans can understand how the budget allocations affect their day-to-day lives. This year, we decided to also focus on the county budget because it is equally important to understand your county budgets. The second reason is because the county budgets feel a little bit close to home. And the first county is Kilifi County. In Kilifi County, we've been taking an issue-based approach where we've been engaging 9 community mobilizers, young people who've been tackling different social issues in their communities. Let's say environment, health, education, and we call them budget plugs. You know, youth plug, plugging, budget plugs. So through our interactions with these young people, we realized that they already have organized groups of people who are tackling different issues. So instead of treating the budget conversation as a standalone, then they can be able to identify budget allocations, specific budget allocations. For example, if you deal with the issue of education, then it's easier for you to talk about education in the budget allocation, about debates, about schools, about teachers, you know. How we supported these plugs in integrating the budget conversation in their day-to-day community work is by number 1, breaking down the budget making process on the county level so that you can understand how this formulation works, where to go during public participation, how it is done, etc. Number 2 is where to find these county documents. Number 3 is to break down these documents so that they can identify their specific budget allocations and ultimately how to simply deliver these conversations to their communities. The idea here is to have different groups that care about different issues and can be able to speak up about the budget allocations in regards to these issues. So far, the budget plans have been able to conduct various budget conversation sessions with their different communities. During the formulation of the budget, they were able to attend public participation forums, write down priorities, and also write memorandums of the things that they would like to see in their budget. Now that the budget has been passed, we are not stopping here. Now we are supporting the plugs in breaking down the Kilifi County budget, which will in turn help them in delivering these allocations in their communities. They'll be doing this through a digital campaign in form of videos, infographics, and in a language that their members can understand, Swahili and Iriama. Juabudget Kilifi edition was the first of its kind, and we are very excited to see the kind of impact that it has already created. And given that the budget conversation is a never-ending cycle, we are happy and we are looking forward to see the kind of impact it will continue to create. As you can tell, we are really excited and we look forward to replicating this in other counties. We are definitely not done with the juabudget conversation, and we are yet to break down the national budget 2026-2027. So follow us to find out more. And also don't forget, if you have anything to tell us or share with us in regards to this project, just shoot us an email at dm@youthplug.org.